Okay, the last time you were here, I think we directed the city manager to take a look at this, and obviously, Charlie, these pictures, nobody would have to want to put up with this. So let's see if we can figure out a way to properly divert the water, not only away from this man's home, but from the neighbors, and get it into the streets where it belongs.
Yes, Mayor, we have initiated that process. We'll be working with the engineering department. I haven't made a trip out there yet, but I have spoken with Greg, and we're going to be assessing the situation and seeing what remediation is available to us.
I'd like to get something built before the monsoon season hits. Sure. Okay.
Hey,
Buck. Yeah. Fuck. Where's your shoes, Drake? Get them. Fucker. Oh, look how high it was on them rocks. Ugh.